Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can create a 1080 by 1080p HDR clip and post it to Facebook by using Adobe Premiere Pro 2023. I'll also be leaving some instruction in the description as well, so make sure to check that out. So let's get started. As you can see, I have these 3 sample videos which I have downloaded from pexel.com. You can download it from there, it's free to use. So I'm going to place this clip in my project menu. And here's the new sequence that is made automatically. I'm going to right click on that and select the sequence setting. And here you can see there's a frame size and the time base and the FPS and everything. What you're going to do is just adjust the frame size to 1080 horizontal and 1080 vertical. So that will be a ratio of 1:1. You can increase the FPS if you want, and there's no need to change anything. Just hit OK and there you go. You have selected your frame size to 1:1, that is 1080 by 1080p. If you don't like this part and you like the whole video, so let me show you how you can do that as well. First you need to select the video and click on the effects panel, and here you can search for Gaussian blur. And place it on the video. I'm going to select the project again, and now I'm going to go to select this video and go to the effect control panel. I'm going to scale it down until it covers all of the frame. I'm going to select this one that is below. I'm going to the effect control panel, and here I can select the Gaussian blur, and I'm going to increase that. And here you can see the part that is behind that video is going blur. So that's it. Now you can play the video and you can see that's the video and that's the blur part behind that. And the video is 1080 by 1080p. So finally we are going to export that video. Just click on the export, and here you can select the name that you want, and I'm going to export it. It will take some time to export. Now here's the video, as you can see. Now I'm going to upload this on my Facebook page. You can write any caption you want. And click on post. That's how you can upload a video on Facebook page in 1080 by 1080 using Adobe Premiere Pro. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.